What is up, everybody? It's your boy back with another reaction video. I'll be reacting to the Foundation SCP-294, the coffee machine. I have read something about this before. It was like the coffee machine pretty much give you anything you ask. I remember reading something where I guess someone asked for like a cup of Joe, and I guess it depends on the vicinity of the machine, and it pulled, like, I guess a guy named Joe that was nearby. It pulled in the minute when they gave him the liquid, it was like, I think it was because the guy named Joe started feeling like tired, and like I think he passed out, but it was like blood, I want to say a little bit of spinal fluid, some plasma, and some other stuff in it, and the base like, this is Joe. So it's, I can't remember exactly all they can do. I think it's because I remember they did experiments. I remember reading about, because they do experiments at the SCP where somebody's like, hey, give me, and they said like the scientific name for, I think it was horse saliva, I think, and they gave a horse saliva, but they said like the scientific name for it just to see if it could trick it, and they couldn't. And I think it asked for like, I want to say they asked for something like Neanderthal DNA or something. I can't remember, but they asked for a bunch of different things in the cave. I think it's anything that can pretty much be like they turn into a liquid, or even stuff that normally wouldn't be a liquid. I think someone asked for, it's been a while since I read it, but I want to say someone asked for like liquefied, like what they said, carbon monoxide or something like that. And carbon monoxide is a gas, but they gave it to them in liquid form. So anyway, let's just get into it. This is, I'll be putting a link in the description for this channel, for the original video, so you can go over, watch the original video in full screen in all its glory, and check out their channel, see what they all about. But anyway, let's get into this. All right, here we go. Oh, it's a brother, he about to die. What does that, Sophia Marie? She said.
You want something to drink?
Just stared at.
Sure you want to drink from that thing?
Get you something nice.
No. Not even because of the machine, just because how creepy you are about it. Like, he didn't say he wanted it.
Seriously, what is this?
Celery soda.
Really?
Celery soda?
It's delicious. Now, can you get over here already?
I don't see how I can help you with anything. I'm just...
These tests have an olfactory and gustatory component to them that I am currently unable to perform.
What does that mean?
I have a cold, so I need you to taste and smell the samples for me, capiche?
Capiche.
Uh-huh.
Alright then, let's get to work.
You gonna put like cow semen or something in one of them things. Why would you swallow that? moonshine out.
Hold on. Cactus. You got me drinking cat pee.
I'm like, I don't get paid enough for this shit. Why did you give it to him? Bleach? You drink bleach, bitch. Hydrochloric acid. Super strong acid. That's what you call a super strong acid. Out of range.
Matter and
Okay, yeah, I think I remember this. They couldn't put.
an out of range result.
I think I remember
Just
that.
about a time. You almost finished?
That was actually the last sample. You want a drink for the road?
Sure.
What'll it be?
Surprise me.
Surprise me.
I think didn't they do this and this made like the perfect drink or some shit.
Are you okay?
Oh, what the hell?
Come on.
No, I'm gonna bring this to disposals and have a quick visit to the infirmary.
Surprise me. Gives you fucking stomach acid.
Just make sure it's all looked up, okay?
I remember reading that and something like surprised me in like the SCP wiki, and it was I thought it was like the perfect liquid or something like that. I can't remember off the top of my head. But like, give me moon dust. Blood of a Loch Ness.
That solves that.
I can't believe he wasn't doing this to begin with. If I was him, I'd have definitely been doing that. Alien blood. Don't drink that shit. You just asked for alien blood. Why would you drink that? Why does that keep God? What? Maybe it's somebody named God in vicinity. Don't drink that shit. He gonna blow up or something. So you could just drink God. He about to blow up. Look at him. The fuck is happening? He gonna kill himself? I'd be like, stop typing things in his fucking machine. What do you ask for? A cup of Joe? Yeah, his name's Joe. Why would you type in a cup of Joe? Just type in coffee. Oh man, that's it. Why would you type that in? A cup of Joe. This thing don't know what the hell you talking about. But yeah, that I've seen. I don't remember reading anything about someone typing in God, and then he saw something, and whatever he saw made him kill himself. Like, I like he typed in alien blood. It was just like, yeah, don't drink that. You don't know what that is or what that would do. But yeah, I completely forgot. Like, you can't make, like, I think it was diamonds, and it was like, I can't remember specifically. It was some type of like material that it can't make. I think things that are like hard material, like a diamond or something like. I had to read through that again, but you said God, and he turned. He like that's not gonna do it. And then they gave him a cup or something. I wonder what he saw. I know when people write these SCP, they like to have an element of mystery with them, so they don't tell you everything. But I would like to know, like, what was he supposed to see, like, and then it looked like he was seeing like something divine and something demonic at the same time. And like, why would he kill himself? Because I know, like, I mean, you know, in different things, like you read, like, oh, if you actually see God as a human or an angel or something, their true form will like burn your eyes out or kill you or something. Like, you'll be vaporized, you know, stuff like that. I've read stuff like that. Usually that's fantasy, you know, but still, I like to know what he saw. And this dude put a cup of Joe. I was like, his name. I saw his name tag said Joe. I was wondering if they were gonna do that in this, but like, why would you should put bleach and then handed him the cup, and then he tried to do this? You gonna try to stop it? Like, why'd you hand him the cup? Or you told you gonna hand the cup like, hey, put that over there. Don't drink it. don't drink bleach. This won't prevent the coronavirus. Like, don't drink it. That was good though, but like I said, I'll put a link in the description for this video, so you can go watch it yourself, or go check out their channel, see some other stuff they have. But anyway, hope y'all enjoyed my reaction one. If you did, be sure to hit that thumbs up button down below. Be sure to subscribe if you're new here, hit that bell, you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Comment down below, share this video. I'll see y'all next time. Peace.